Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, let's get this shit on the road. Look back to the ozone, guys. Get you guys a little bit of box X and see if we can read this box. This one reads the women's Air Jordan 1 Elevate Low SE. Shoe didn't do too good. As you kids say these days, it became a brick. I don't know why ladies didn't want this shoe, it being Women's Month. This shoe being strictly for you guys. Alright, make sure I take out the good one. It's in the Bred colorway. They usually sell out. So maybe people are just sleeping on this shoe and it's going to catch on later. No extra laces, but you do get a Jordan anklet, I believe it is.
Here's something I found on the web.
I ain't say nothing. Alexa, stop. I said you don't want to have the assistant in your house because she just does what she wanted to do. Talk about Jordans. You don't know nothing about no Jordans. Cupid. Pretty much all my materials on this shoe are outstanding. I don't know. I don't know what people are sleeping on. Materials are absolutely outstanding. This is one of the best Jordans, the leathers I ever felt. Maybe it's the platform. And yeah, if you're a lady, a person that likes women's shoes, I believe that you should have this shoe. It's a very high quality Jordan. Look in the inside, there's a cork. The leather, like I said, it's the most buttery leather I ever felt. I do see some glue leaks though. I said I don't know if you guys care about the little Jordan tag and the anklet. It's not a bad shoe in my opinion. I've seen worse shoes. If you're looking to get, I guess, another inch or two height, you should be. The shoe shouldn't be too good, too bad rather. That's a good shoe, in my opinion. I don't know, but to each their own. Classic Bred colorway, like I said. I don't get it. Maybe people are just over the Jordan 1 silhouette. Whether it be low, mid, or high, it seems like it's dying out. Less and less people are, man, we're gonna pop the Western color. Less and less people are asking for it. Good step. Give you guys a view. Shoe's gonna look like on your foot. You know, if you guys cop a pair of these, or you're trying to get a pair, or you're gonna get a pair, I think they're going for under retail right now. So definitely go out there and get you a pair. Everybody stay safe out there. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!